A big hello to all our viewers. So this is Dr. Arun here. So today we had a fantastic one-day workshop on fat harvesting and fat grafting onto the face. So this time I was lucky enough to have two very young and aggressive surgeons with me. Dr. Rafi is from Hyderabad. He is going to be a plastic surgeon soon, maybe next year. And I have Dr. Chetrali, who is a maxillofacial surgeon, who is from Pune. So, guys, thank you so much for coming in here. It was really a pleasure to have you both here. So, let's ask Dr. Rafi how his experience was. Dr. Rafi has been coming to us for this is your third time. Thank you so much for coming in and having a trust on us. And so, what do you have to say about the workshop and about the fat grafting? And could we clear up your doubts and your hands on? Dr. Rafi, I think
Mm,
you've used this.
Hello, hi. So the every step in the fat grafting was very clearly explained. So especially I used to watch so many videos on YouTube about Arun Panda sir. So I have come for the first workshop 2 years back for hair transplantation. It was useful, and after that I have come to facial aesthetics. Now it is my third workshop, like facial fat grafting. I had idea about how to do facial fat grafting, but I just wanted to know depth and the basics about the facial fat grafting. So I have come here. So everything was very clearly explained, and there was a lot of hands-on. So now I have a holistic understanding about how the fat grafting is done and what are the various implications of fat grafting. What are the different types of fat grafting, like micro, macro, and nano. So where we are going to use which type of fat grafting, everything was dealt very clearly. So now tomorrow I have one case which
That's
I
the
am
best
able
part about it.
I am going to do it. Like now I feel very confident so that I can go back to my place and do the case tomorrow itself. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and thanks for teaching everything so clearly.
Thank you, Dr. Rafi. And the best part about you is like you already have cases and now you go back and you start doing. And that is how we learn, that's nice. And thank you so much for, our discussions. You taught me so many things today. Yeah, it was really nice. I mean, it's always mutual. Thank you so much for that. And good luck to you and looking forward to see you doing a lot of fat graftings. Yeah. So, Dr. Chetrali, as a maxillofacial, young budding maxillofacial surgeon, what do you have to say?
So thank you so much firstly, and the course was very well structured, and sir cleared all the doubts. As you know, sir is very good mentor, and yes, I hopefully incorporate this fat grafting into my practice very soon. So I'm looking forward to many much courses in facial aesthetics. Thank
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much. I hope we could, kind of do
Yes,
the justice. And I want to see
yes,
you doing the cases,
sure, sir,
not just the
sure.
learning and sitting here.
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
sure.
Thank you, Chetrali, for everything. Thank you, guys. And thank you, guys, once again. Please.